Alright, we're starting a new series today. It's called Destroying Coins from Around the World. And our first victim, Canada. Hey, Skyler here from the McMinnville. And today we're going to be making a coin ring out of a Canadian Toonie. It's a $2 coin that they have. Alright, let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do with this is cut a hole in it. But since it's a bimetallic coin, they're just pressed together. So all we have to do is just press this thing out of there. And I've been told that Canadian Toonies come apart pretty easily. So if you flick it right in that polar bear's face, it pops right out real easy. So let's give it a shot. Right on. But there is a pretty serious problem with these Toonies, and that is they've got steel in them. So that means they're going to destroy your steel tools. So just beware. And now that the center's out of it, we just need to deburr it and then sand it, and that's going to remove any sharp edges that might be on the inside that would cause it to split when we start to fold it. And since this is a steel coin, we're not going to be doing any annealing. We're going to go straight to folding it. And we'll put it in our 17-degree dies from Jason's Works and then fold it. Now that we have our initial fold done, we're going to Swedish wrap it. So that means we're going to be wrapping it with about 25 wraps of Teflon tape and then putting it in our Swedish wrap dies. And these dies have a much steeper angle. They're about 5-degree angle versus the 17-degree angles we were just using. And that's going to cause this thing to be extruded smaller. And now that we've pushed it down far enough, it's got a slight cone shape, so we're going to turn it around and then press it the other way just a tiny bit, and that'll straighten up the walls of the ring. And now we have it out of the Swedish wrap dies, we're going to take the Teflon tape off of it, take a look at it. Looking nice and straight. So now what we need to do is take that coin edge that's in there and get rid of it with the deburring tool, and then we'll sand it just to make sure everything's nice and smooth and no sharp edges. And now it's time to antique it. We're going to be using the Midas Black Max from Rio Grande, and this is a perfect thing to antique this steel. And once we have it all antiqued and the ring's going to be clean, we'll start sanding it with some 4/0 steel wool and take some of that black back off of there, and it leaves a really nice finish. And now all we have to do is polish up with a jewelry rag and we'll be finished. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so, and be sure you stop by my website, Changeyoucanwear.net. Alright, till next time, thanks for watching. I don't know what else I want to say. Do I have something else I want to say? Oh, I don't.